Hi everyone, today's video will be dedicated to food waste, which was what I noticed while traveling across developed worlds. Back in China, it is also a rising problem when people's wealth got better and food became more affordable. As a kid, my grandparents has taught me to respect food. No one leaves a grain of rice in their bowl. As you all know, that's how I'm like. I never like to waste anything. Which Mark's granny, Teresa, who is also my favorite person in the whole Great Britain, she is the same. I think it goes back to they experienced the wartime and they know how precious food are. For my own experience, the most benefit is you can actually save a lot of money. So before we left Port St. Louis, my good friend Joanna, who used to work for a Michelin restaurant, will show you how to get most out of your ingredients and impress everyone you cook for. She also taught me that 20 to 30% of edible food goes to waste. This actually directly contributes to ocean pollution, which now it's a big part of our life, because the ocean is our home. So I would like to use my little influence to help her to promote her cause and spread to as many people as I can. You can do good for the planet by just not wasting any food. Now let's show you what Jo can do. Just on our Minky, she brought a 7-course menu. Let's go check it out. During that dinner, maybe Neptune know that we're doing something good for the planet, so that he also offered us a little gift. It's a surprise. Stay tuned to find out. What an eventful night. Look what we find. A little kitten was in the water and we rescued him.
She's crying so hard.
Is it she?
I don't know. I'm just saying that.
And this little dude, I think he's just trying to figure out what's up.
Shall I go and get some milk?
Ah, so cute.
Sweetheart.
Yes, she.
Oh, what was that? Was that a lick or something?
Yeah, it's a lick. I think he's trying to dry her.
Sweetheart. Be nice. Be nice.
Oh, no, Yoshi.
Yoshi.
No, Yoshi. This is such a hectic moment. Mark with Yoshi there.
It's just gonna,
And these two trying to hit up milk. And Chris with the little kitten. Aww, she's so cute.
Almost drowned, but not quite.
So cute. Tiny.
I don't want to get attacked.
We tried to feed it. Wow, that's so much milk.
Yeah. Kieran put it in the pot.
Aww.
Yoshi, I'm holding a knife. Shut up. It's enough.
Aw, the kitten's already quiet. You
Yeah.
should chill.
There is no
Yeah.
no sense in him bitching.
Chill, boy. If you like the idea of buy less, eat more, save money, and save the planet, please check out Chef Joe's link. She's crowdfunding for her project, which is called New Wave Cooking. She'll be giving out classes on their small sailboat to teach you how to make all those delicious food. To see what she has to offer. I really like the idea of the ecosystem. Everyone benefits. We benefit, the planet benefits, which means we will benefit later. It's all a good circle. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you on a Friday proper video. Bye bye.